Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are finally in November. It's countdown to my favorite holiday, Christmas. So let's see if Mix Easy is worth a purchase for yourself or a loved one. Stay tuned and find out.
Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a sticker. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flicker. Bill, I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up. They got amnesia, don't remember how they played us. They wanna knock me down, but somehow I just stay up.
So Mix Easy reached out to me. I had never honestly heard about them. They are a skincare company, skincare, hair care, however you want to put it. The best way I can describe it, it's like Build-A-Bear for adults concerning what kind of hair care or skincare you want. You get to state what ingredients go into it. So when they reached out to me, I was rather intrigued because y'all know me, especially when it comes to my skincare. I love to be a little chemist and mix different things together because I can't say I stick with one particular like skincare product or line as a whole. Certain things with certain brands work best for my skin. In unison together is what has given me the skin that I have today. Sticking to one brand just has never worked for me. So I'm happy to be able to have a little say now in what goes into my skincare. So Mix Easy, it's create your own formula. And like I said, it's for either your hair or your skin. When it came to me, my hair, she does a lot, and I was like, I'm not even gonna mess with that, trying to make my own shampoos or conditioners. I'm just gonna stick to what I know best, which is my skin. My hair is a whole nother story concerning what I use and what I don't use, because y'all know all of this ain't mine, so you know how that works. But just a little more background on Mix Easy for you guys. They have a very unique approach concerning other skincares and where you can mix your own formula. They are natural and organic for those who care. They're vegan friendly, cruelty free, as well as using all freshly prepared ingredients. They're all high quality ingredients, they state as well. You have easy returns with them if you mix something together and it does not agree with your skin or your hair, since like I said, I do hair too. And everything is handmade by order and easily customized for you. So like I said, the moral of the story is that they are Lush meets Build-A-Bear. They also, concerning the no-nos, don't worry about any parabens, sulfates, any harsh chemicals. There's no toxins in here, no dyes, no silicones, no mineral oils, and they do not test on animals. So AKA, they care about the world as well as you. Basically, how this whole process works concerning going ahead and making the perfect skincare for you is that you go in there and you basically like select what kind of product you want. Their website's really easy to maneuver concerning like finding the products you want and how to mix them together. For me, I chose to make an eye cream with them as well as a face mask. I'm really in love with just my whole skincare process concerning everything else I have. I do not have an eye cream within my skincare regimen because, to be honest, I'll be real with y'all. Come on close. I think eye creams are a scam. They're just expensive face creams that you only put on your eye. So if your face cream ain't doing it for your eye area, then you need to question your face cream. But like I said, I don't already have an eye cream, so I was gonna give them a chance. Maybe I'll like an eye cream if I made it myself. And then when it comes to face masks, I don't think you can have enough face masks. Face masks are fun. There's just an easy way to relax and get some added benefits in your skin. So I was like, it's whatever. Once you've picked what kind of product you want to make, you get to then basically choose your base. For when it comes to my face mask, I went ahead and like stated that I have like oily skin. So of course I don't need a face mask that's gonna sit there and be super heavy or not help control my oil. So I let them know I have an oily skin, and that kind of like solidified what kind of base I was gonna have. And then from there, which is my favorite part, you get to add up to 5 ingredients to your product to add to that base. When it came to my eye cream, I did cucumber extract for depuffing, floral nectar, which prevents the first signs of aging. I also did evening primrose extract, which is anti-aging, and then an apple fruit extract, which helps with firmness. And last but not least, green coffee extract, which is a natural luminizer. So that's everything concerning the 5 ingredients I put in my eye cream. Now, when it comes to my face mask, the 5 different ingredients I picked was the linden tree extract, which is for brightening, pomegranate extract, which is for even skin texture, kiwi extract, which is for even skin tone, licorice root, which treats pigmentation, and green coffee for a natural luminosity. So once you pick those 5 ingredients and add those to your base, they then have you pick your fragrance. The eye cream does not come with a fragrance, so that part did not pop up in that sequence. But for the face mask, you did get to pick from 4 different fragrances, that or you could pick from fragrance free. But for my face mask, since it was more on a citrus side and it was supposed to be about luminosity, the whole point of my face mask was to basically focus on an even skin tone and brightening. I did Sunlight Dance, which was supposed to be like a very light citrus scent, which I can say she is. And then fifthly, the last step is that you select a name and you complete your order. So the name I picked for my face mask was You Glow Girl, because like I said, she was supposed to be a luminizing, even skin tone face mask. And for my eye cream, it was Awaken Chanel to wake me up, because the whole point of the ingredients I added for my eye cream was to help brighten and depuff, you know, to make myself look awake in the morning. And that's basically it concerning how you go along with the process of, you know, building your own products. Now let's get to the juicy part, the general like review and how I liked it. So packaging, firstly, it's all right. Like, I'm not doing cartwheels over their packaging. I feel like it's rather cheap. Now, each product is priced for $45. They do have a sale going on right now that I noticed last I was up there, where you save like $5 after each product. So right now they're each $40. But like packaging wise, it's just plastic. Very simple. It's not even like heavyweight plastic or anything like that. And then it's a sticker label around, very like printed on label. And by the way, like even like the writing's coming off, so you can't like read the ingredients anymore. But it's very generic. Best way I can describe the packaging. Concerning the aspect where you get to name your product, because you did customize it, that's what I was expecting to be on the front of my labels. That did not happen. It simply says Mix Easy face mask, unique formula, and it simply says Mix Easy eye cream, unique formula. I was rather upset and rather hurt and was like, okay, where's my You Glow Girl and where's my Awaken Chanel for the products? Because I spent a solid 15 minutes trying to think of some cute names to go with my own products, because you know, you got me feeling like I'm a CEO of my own skincare line. I want to make sure these names are popping. They do not put them on the front of the packaging. Honestly, it's a very small, minute little print in the back of the label, same size as the rest of the ingredients. It says formula name and it says You Glow Girl. I'm sorry, if I'm going through all that trouble to come up with a name for a product, you better put it on the front of the container, especially when your ingredients label and stuff like that is all wiping off and everything. So that don't benefit me none. I can't even see where it says You Glow Girl no more. So yes, that was depressing. They need to put the name on the front of the label. That's all I gotta say about that. Concerning shipping, she came super quick. I definitely got her in about 5 business days from when I initially put in my order. So you get your product super fast. Concerning the results, when it comes to the eye cream, I was really like shocked and pleasantly surprised by it. Like I said, I do not have an eye cream in my skincare routine right now. She came out super cute. Well, I say cute for her, but she made me super cute. For one, she's not a real cream, she's a gel, which I was not mad about it. I rather a cooling gel anyways when it comes to depuffing my eyes. Like I said, I don't have eye cream in my repertoire concerning my skincare for a reason. So when I saw she was a gel, I was rather excited. Normally, I was putting it on at nighttime around my eyes, and then I noticed like waking up in the morning, my eyes would not be as puffy, or not puffy at all like they normally would do. do, like, cause I can wake up in the morning and I can have like raccoon eyes. Like I'd be like, my eyes can barely open. They'd be all swollen shut and everything. If I did use it in the morning and not at night, I did notice that it would significantly reduce the puffiness of my eyes within about like 30 minutes. So like from the time I put that eye cream on after washing my face to the end of my makeup routine, the puffiness in my eyes would be like finally subsided and fully down. Because she is a gel, in all the ingredients I did add into it, I can say she's very nice. You have that nice cool sensation. Side note, I do put these products in my little like skincare refrigerator, so that obviously was making them nice and cold. On top of that, she does have like a cooling sensation that like lingers on after application that I definitely felt that it definitely helped for sure. And I personally just feel like she was the best as a night eye cream, because I just feel like eye creams in general just don't mix well with my eye makeup concerning my routine during the day, because I always feel like it starts to clump up on me or something. I don't know. I just prefer to use her at night versus during the day, because I just didn't feel like she necessarily mixed well with my primers and stuff like that. I felt like she started to lift up. But outside of that, like I said, she's lit. She lit. When it comes to the face cream, or not face cream, side note, she's a face mask, but in reality, she's a night cream. I was rather disappointed by this mask. You would think that she would be like legit like face mask is what I was assuming, but no honey, she is a heavy thick night cream. And I don't know why they would sit there and say it's a face mask, but like me personally, like if you are a face mask that doesn't dry down at all and you just stay oily and creamy, to me you're not a face mask. You are a heavy night cream that wants to be called a face mask, because the reality is you don't need to wash it off in 15 minutes. If you rub that junk into your skin, it can just be an overnight mask and you just wash it off in the morning. So side note on that, that's what pissed me off about the face mask. She wasn't a legit face mask to me, because if I can rub you in, you're not a mask. You a heavy night cream. And so I basically used her as that. I tried using her as a face cream and leaving her on for like 15 minutes and then wiping it off. I didn't feel like it did anything really for my skin, so I didn't like keep using it that way, because I felt like it was rather pointless. Because I'm sorry, I have other face masks that generally will give me honest results after it being on my face for 15 minutes and washing it off. Like, you know the difference of the face mask. With theirs, I didn't feel like it did anything. So I was like, okay, let's use this as an overnight face mask, or you just simply, the last step I add to my night care skin routine, and I wear you to bed and I wash you off in the morning. And that's basically what I did. I used it pretty much every other day for like the last 3 weeks. I can admit I didn't like it the first week and a half. I didn't feel like it did much for my skin. The whole point of this face mask, concerning the ingredients I added into it, was it to even my skin tone. So basically my mindset was like, Glam Glow's even skin tone face mask, you know, you use it 3 days in a row and you see a significant difference in like texture and luminosity of your skin and the evenness of your skin tone and all. That's basically what I was hoping for this. I did not get it for sure. I wanted my dark spots to be significantly lighter in a matter of days, and that did not happen. Even within a matter of like a week and a half, it was like a slight improvement, but not like dramatic enough for me to be like, I love you. But I kept on using it, and pretty much by like the 3rd week, as you will see with like my before, my during, and then my after, you do see a significant change, or at least there is a change in the lightening of the acne marks I did have like on my face. They did start to fade away and get lighter. Me personally, I wanted them completely gone, and I felt like it failed in doing that with all the ingredients I added to my product to do that. So I was gonna like totally trash this face mask, for one, not being a real face mask, and then 2, not doing what it said it was going to do. But I do admit, after looking at like someone's review for like Clinique's brightening serum or something like that, the girls before and after is like pointless. I'm like, if you're paying that much for a product and the whole point is to lighten and to even your skin texture and skin tone, and her before and after was like even worse than what mine looked like, and I was like, okay, maybe I'm being too harsh on them. When it comes to definitely like your skin tone and evening it out, it does take time. It's not something that's going to happen like overnight or after like a couple uses. You got to give it a couple weeks for sure. And in that respect, using it for a couple weeks, I did see a difference. Plus, like, top notch. One thing I can't complain about this mask, which was the pomegranate that I put in it, is supposed to help even skin texture. No lie, like you put this drink on, like I say, if you use it as a night mask, it works. FYI, side note, Mixology, where's your directions on how to use your products? That's one thing they do not give you, is any directions on how to use anything. So like I said, I use it however I wished because it's not like they had any directions telling me to use it any other way. So using it as a night cream all over my face, then wash off in the morning, my skin is so baby soft. Like softer than even when I exfoliate my skin before and after fill. It just felt so soft, so supple, and just like brand new, like baby bottom skin, like no other. I don't think any other product made my face feels as soft as this did. So I'm glad I gave you guys like an honest, fair chance, because if I don't view you all as a face mask but a night cream, you're bomb. So that's the end of my review for Mix Easy. They were bomb and give me a discount code so you guys can try them out as well without feeling like you have to pay any obscene amount of money to give them a try. So definitely check out the discount code here on the screen and down below so you all can save yourself some money to give them a try. Like I said, if you give it a try, you hate it, return it. They have very easy returns, but hey, go ahead, give it a try with this added discount on top, because then that's a win. But that's everything. I appreciate you guys watching this review on Mix Easy. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Of course, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. I like to know if you guys like me. And of course, if you haven't joined the family already, feel free to go ahead and subscribe, because I have so much more for you guys concerning some good juicy products to be looking at, especially with the holidays right around the corner. Go ahead, figure out what you want to buy, because countdown's right here. We need to figure out what we're gonna get for people for Christmas, and Mix Easy is an easy possibility, you know what I mean? Especially with this discount code. But other than that, I hope you guys have a blessed day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.